In this video, let us discuss an interesting puzzle that is n queens problem. Using backtracking, we will solve this problem. The n queens problem means there are n number of queens and there is a n cross n chessboard. We need to place each queen in one row such that no queens will attack each other. They will not attack if they are in the they will attack if they are in the same row. They will attack if they are in the same column, or they will attack if they are in the same diagonal. So if we avoid these, then they will not attack each other. So we need to find the solution such that we need to place the queens such that they will not attack each other. Say for example, if there is a single queen, then the chessboard will be 1 cross 1 chessboard. So it is having a trivial solution. Okay, that itself is the solution. If it is a 2 queen problem, then there are 2 queens and chessboard is having 2 cross 2 squares. Say if we place the first queen here, we need to place the second queen in the second row. If we place that second queen in the first column, already first queen is there, so it is not possible. It will become the same column. Second queen, then if we place the second queen in the second column, second row, then they are in the same diagonal, so there is no possibility to get the solution for 2 queens problem. Similarly, 3 queens problem. 3 queens means there will be 3 cross 3 chessboard. If we place the first queen here, then for second queen we need to select the second row. We cannot place in the first column because it will become the same column. We cannot place in the second column because it will become the same diagonal. We can place the second queen in the third column. Yes, possible. But for the third queen, we cannot place that queen here because the first queen is already there in the same column. We cannot place in the second column because if we place that here, for second queen it is diagonally same. We cannot place that queen in the third column as well because second queen is already there in the second column. So 3 queen problem is also not having solution. We will go for 4 queens problem. In 4 queen problem, there will be 4 rows and 4 columns in the chessboard, and we need to place the first queen in the first row, second queen in the second row, third queen in the third row, and fourth queen in the fourth row in this way, such that they will not attack each other. Okay, we will solve this using backtracking. So the best tool we need to use for backtracking is we need to construct the state space tree. So initially we are in the search of solution. So no queens are placed on the chessboard at the root level. The chessboard is empty, 4 rows, 4 columns. So let us place the first queen in the first possible place. That is first row, first column. Yes. Then we need to place the second queen in the second row now. Is it possible to place that in the first column? Not possible because first queen is already there. Second column, second row. It is not possible because it will become diagonally equal. So is it possible to place that in the third column, second row? Yes, possible. We will place that like this. First queen here, second queen in second row, second row, third column. Next, is it possible to place the third queen in the third row? First column, not possible. Second column, not possible because it will become diagonally equal with the second queen. Third column, not possible because the second queen is already there in that column. Fourth column, is it possible? It is also not possible because diagonally it will become equal. So this has become a non-promising node. We cannot go further. So we need to backtrack. We have to go back to the previous one. So let us try to place the second queen in the fourth column. First queen. So now we need to place the, let us call this as third node. This is 0th node. Okay. So we have placed that second queen in the fourth column, so that we need to try for the third queen. Okay, is it possible to place the third queen in the first column? Not possible because first queen is already there. Second column, yes, it is possible because if we place that in this place, third column, third row, sorry, second column, third row, then there will not be any, there are no queens which will attack each other. So we can place the third queen here. First queen here, second queen in the second row, fourth column, third queen in the third row, second column. Yes, possible. Next, we need to place the fourth queen. Is it possible? Not possible. First queen is there. Second column, not possible. Third queen is there. Fourth, third column, is it possible? Not possible because it will become diagonally equal. So not possible. Fourth column is also not possible. Again, this has become dead end. This node has become a dead end. We need to backtrack. If we backtrack, then is it possible to go for third column to place the third queen? No, not possible because it will become diagonally equal with the second queen. Fourth column is also not possible. Again, this has become a non-promising node. We need to backtrack. So we don't have any possibility in this also. So we need to backtrack. This is how we apply the backtracking method. So we need to go for placing the first queen in the second column now. Second column. I have placed the first queen in the first row, second column. Is it possible to place the second queen in the first column? Not possible because it will become diagonally equal. Diagonally equal, so we cannot place it. Second column is already filled with the first queen. Third column again diagonally equal, so we need to go for fourth column. Yes, of course, we can place the second queen in the fourth column. First queen here, sorry, first queen in the second column, second queen in the fourth column. Yes, possible. Then, for third queen, is it possible to place that in the first column? Yes, it is possible because there are no queens in the first column and there are no queens in the third column. Diagonally no queens, so we can place. first column, sorry, first queen, second queen, and third queen here. Yes. Now we need to place the fourth queen. For fourth queen, first column is not possible because third queen is there. Second column is not possible because first queen is there. Yes, we can place that here because there are no four queens in that column and no diagonal equal queens. So we can place queen in the fourth row, third column. First queen here, second queen, first queen in the second column, second queen in the fourth column, third queen in the first column, and fourth queen in the third column. Yes, possible. And this, of course, we are successful in placing all the four queens. This is one solution. This is one of the solutions. Of course, there are two solutions for four queens problem. I will ask you to try for another solution. We can stop if we get the solution. So we will stop here, and we have got a solution for one solution for four queens problem. Similarly, if you try for the next one, you may get another solution. And then you can also try for 8 queens problem, which will be comparatively larger problem, but for 4 queens we have got a solution. Initially when you are not solving it, it is a puzzle, but once you solve it, it will not be a puzzle.